Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. How's your life?
It's fantastic, and your life?
It's fantastic too. So, guys, I think so that you might have done practice a lot. So, can we have some questions?
Yes, sir.
तो सर क्या आप सुबह जल्दी जगते हो कैसे बोलोगे? जगता हूँ आई गेट अप बोलिए. किस टाइम जगते हो? सुबह 6 बजे बोलिए. सर क्या आपके पास कार है? हाँ है बोलिए. आपके पास कौन सी कार है? क्या बोलोगे? मेरे पास तो सर है BMW बोलिए. लगता नहीं है सर. कैसे बोलोगे? भूल गए क्या भैया आप लोग? भाई अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो सब कुछ भूल जाओगे. जो कुछ भी आपको यहाँ पढ़ाया जाता है एटलीस्ट घर पे जाके 15 से 20 मिनट प्रैक्टिस करनी ही करनी है. बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस. तो सर ये बताइए कि क्या आपका कार है बोलिए. कार है और बाइक भी. कैसे बोलोगे? आई हैव ए कार एज वेल एज ए. वेरी गुड. सर क्या आप नौकरी करना चाहते हो? डू यू वांट जॉइन अ जॉब बोलिए. यस स्टैंड अप. डू यू वांट जॉइन अ जॉब?
Yeah, I wanna join a job.
ओके व्हाट जॉब डू यू वांट जॉइन?
I want to join a government job.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब. इन विच क्लास डू यू स्टडी?
I study in class 6.
Okay, have you ever consumed liquor?
I have never consumed it.
Very good. Please put your hands together for him. सर ये बताइए क्या आपने कभी शराब पी है? कैसे बोलोगे? कभी नहीं बोलिए. और आपको पीनी भी नहीं चाहिए. कैसे बोलोगे? You shouldn't बोलिए. You shouldn't consume liquor. तो इस तरीके से बोलेंगे you shouldn't consume liquor. सर कभी आप दिल्ली गए हो? कैसे बोलोगे? Have you ever gone to Delhi बोलिए. बहुत बार बोलिए. I have gone to Delhi many times in my life बोलिए. सो गाइज आज हम पूरा स्टार्टिंग से प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. सपोज मैं पास कुछ लोग हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. यस व्हाट्स योर नेम? प्लीज स्टैंड अप. अभी ना कुछ मैं सेंटेंस आपसे हिंदी में पूछूंगा. कैन यू प्लीज मेक द सेंटेंसेज इन इंग्लिश? क्या आप सुबह जल्दी जगते हो?
Do you get up early in the morning?
मैं जगता हूँ.
I get up early in
किस
the
टाइम
morning.
जगते हो?
What time do you get up early in the
मैं तो सुबह 6
morning?
बजे.
I get up early in the morning at 6
कल क्या
o'clock.
आप जगे थे?
Did you get up early in the
मैं
morning?
जगा था.
I got up early in the
I got
morning.
up early in the morning. Very good. ऐसे ही बोलना है. क्या आप सुबह जल्दी जगना चाहते हो?
Do you want to get up early in the
हाँ
morning?
जगना चाहता हूँ.
I want to get up early
आप
in the
बनना क्या
morning.
चाहते हो लाइफ में?
What do you wanna be?
तो डॉक्टर.
I wanna be a doctor.
सर आप ये बताइए डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद करते हो?
What subject do you like most?
तो इंग्लिश.
I like most English.
ओके रहते कहाँ हो आप?
Where do you reside?
मैं तो बोलीपुर फतेहगढ़ में
I
रहता हूँ.
reside at Bolepur in
I
Fatehgarh.
reside at.
Bolepur in Fatehgarh.
वेरी गुड. सो क्या आप पहले गोबर अकेडमी पहले ज्वाइन करने से पहले अंग्रेजी बोला करते थे?
Did you used to speak English before joining Gobark Academy?
क्या बोलोगे आप? बोला करते थे नहीं बोला करते थे?
I didn't used to speak English before joining Gobark
क्या आपने
Academy.
अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर दिया?
Have you started speaking English?
हैव यू स्टार्टेड
Speaking English?
स्पीकिंग?
Speaking.
स्पीकिंग वेरी गुड. क्योंकि लगे स्टार्ट किया था एनजी
लगता है.
हैव यू स्टार्टेड बोलिए.
Have you started speaking English?
आई हैव बोलिए.
I have started speaking English.
तो ये बताइए सर क्या आपके पास कार है? कैसे बोलोगे?
Do you have a car?
हाँ है.
I have a car.
कल क्या आपके पास बाइक थी? कैसे बोलोगे?
Yesterday, did you have a car?
Did you have a bike?
Did you have a bike?
हाँ मेरे पास थी.
I have a bike. I had a bike.
I had a bike. Very good. I had a
Bike.
क्या आपके पास प्रॉब्लम है कोई?
Do you have a problem?
Do you have any problem? क्या बोलोगे?
Do you have any problem?
बस कोई नहीं है.
I have. I don't have problem.
I don't have problem. In which class do you study?
I study in class 7th.
Where do you study?
I study in KB.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय.
हाँ केंद्रीय विद्यालय.
Okay, okay, okay. So अब इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? Are you trying to speak English?
I am trying to speak English.
Okay. तो कितने घंटे पढ़ते हो आप? कैसे बोलोगे?
How many hours do you study?
Very good. इनके लिए क्लैप कर दीजिए guys. हाँ ये बच्चे लाइफ में कुछ करेंगे. कितने घंटे पढ़ते हो आप? How many hours बोलिए.
How many hours do you study?
मैं तो 2 घंटे पढ़ता हूँ.
I study around 2 hours.
2 घंटे तो काफ़ी नहीं है पढ़ाई.
2 hours not able to enough.
ठीक है. तो आपको 5 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए.
You should study around 5 hours.
ओके तो मैं 5 घंटे पढ़ने की कोशिश करूँगा.
I will try to study around 5 hours.
ओके एंड ये आपका ड्रीम क्या है लाइफ में?
What is your dream?
व्हाट इज योर लाइफ ड्रीम? क्या बोलोगे?
What is your life dream?
क्या कभी आपने कभी विराट कोहली को देखा है?
Have you seen Virat Kohli?
मैंने कभी नहीं देखा.
I have never seen Virat Kohli.
मैं तो विराट कोहली से मिलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
मिलने के लिए मीट
I want to meet Virat
थोड़ी
Kohli.
प्रैक्टिस करा करो, थोड़ी सी और प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ठीक है. तो गाइस पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर अविना. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम लोग बहुत अच्छी ट्राइंग कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए. नाउ आई वांट टू टॉक टू मैम. व्हाट्स योर नेम मैम? पूजा राजपूत. डू यू वांट टू से एनीथिंग? कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
Yes, I wanna say anything. I wanna say about English.
ओके
So, guys, what is English?
ओके
I wanna say something English. English is an international language. It is spoken in every corner in this world. So we should learn English. Without English, we can't make our bright future. First of all, for improving your English, and first of all, you search good institute. Govark is good institute, and Ravi sir is a co-founder of Govark Academy. You attend class daily and follow Ravi sir's steps, and you do practice at your home, and you can talk in English with your friend who can't talk in English, and you can read newspaper in English, you can watch movie, listen song in English. In this way, your English improve day by day. English is very important for our life, so we should need speak English, and for development our personality.
Okay. So, can you please tell me about your childhood and your experience about Govark Academy?
First of all, I wanna tell something about my childhood life. I was very naughty in my childhood, like all children. I used to go to school by cycle with my friend, and I used to play many games like killi danda, hockey, kabaddi. But my favorite game was kabaddi. I used to play kabaddi a lot of with my friend in winter season. I never forget my childhood life because it is part of my life.
Okay. Can you please introduce yourself?
So guys, as well know that my name Pooja Rajput. Basically I am from Shivramau, current airport of Fatehgarh, Farrukhabad. I have completed my graduation. Now I am preparing for CRPF written exam. I qualified in CRPF PT exam.
Okay.
I have 7 members in my family. There are two my parents and 5 siblings including me. My father is a farmer and my mom is a housewife. I have 2 bro. My one bro got married, and I have 2 sis. My bosses got married. I am uncle to my sibling. They are very important for me, and my family my family support me for my education.
Okay. So, what do you want to be?
I wanna be government officer.
Okay. What is the importance of English?
English is very important for our life because
Can you convert all sentences into English if I tell you in Hindi?
yes, I convert.
Okay. क्या आपके पास कार है?
Do you have car?
मेरे पास कार नहीं है.
I don't have car.
मेरे पास बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम है.
I have many problem.
I have many problem. I have many problems.
I have many problem.
Okay. So आप बनना क्या चाहते हो?
What do you wanna be?
मैं तो एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहता
I
हूँ.
wanna be a doctor.
आप डॉक्टर बनना क्यों चाहते हो?
Why do you wanna be doctor?
क्योंकि मैं मतलब सर्व करना चाहता हूँ, मतलब लोगों की.
I want to serve people. That's why I want to government office. That's why I want to government doctor.
I wanna be a government doctor. ठीक है. तो आप डॉक्टर बनने के लिए क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing for being government doctor?
For being a government doctor.
Doctor.
ठीक है. मैं क्या होता है वो MBBS होता है ना, मैं MBBS कर रहा हूँ.
I am MBBS.
I am doing.
I am doing MBBS.
Okay. आप MBBS कहाँ से कर रहे हो?
Where are you doing MBBS?
From.
Where are you from MBBS?
Where are you doing MBBS from?
Yes, sir.
मैं तो लखनऊ से कर रहा हूँ.
I am doing MBBS from Lucknow.
Okay. ठीक है. तो you can make all sentences in English. Okay. Can you please tell any story in English?
I want to tell something about my mom and father.
Okay.
First of all, I want to tell something about my mom. My mom name is Mrs. Bimla Devi. She is housewife. She is very important for me, and she is my first friend. She always gets up early in morning, and she does work on time, and she pray to God for me and my bright future. She is very important me, and she always support
Very
me.
important for me. Very good.
She always support me for my education.
Always supports me.
Yes, sir. Now I am separate with my mom. That's why I daily talk on mobile with my mom. She also miss me. She love me a lot. I also love my mom. Now let me something about my father. My father name is Naren Singh. He is a farmer and he is a mechanical also, and he is my first teacher. She used to teach me in my teach me teaches. She is he is teach me in my childhood and listen me historical story. My father wants me to be a government officer, and my father is a farmer. He always do hard work, because farmer life is fulfilled.
does hard work. Put your hands together for man. सो गाइज इस वीडियो में मतलब कुछ भी एडिटिंग नहीं है. दिस इज़ ऑल लाइव रिकॉर्डेड. सो देर इज़ नो एडिटिंग. देर मे बी सम मिस्टेक्स बिकॉज मिस्टेक्स आर पार्ट ऑफ अवर लाइफ. इफ़ मिस्टेक्स आर नॉट देयर देन वी आर नॉट लर्निंग. सपोज़ कोई गाड़ी है, अगर वो गाड़ी में बिल्कुल स्क्रैच नहीं लगे हुए हैं तो गाड़ी इसका मतलब रोड पे निकलती नहीं है. और जब गाड़ी रोड पे निकलेगी तो थोड़े बहुत तो स्क्रैच लगेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम्स तो आएंगी. तो अगर हम बोलना स्टार्ट करें, कोई चीज़ सीख रहे हैं, तो स्टार्टिंग में तो मिस्टेक्स होएंगी. तो मिस्टेक्स हैं थोड़ी वो धीरे धीरे रिमूव हो जाएंगी. और काफ़ी इंप्रूव किया इन मैम ने, और इतना मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इन्होंने एकदम बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से और बिल्कुल यहाँ तक अपनी गाड़ी को लेके आई हैं. इंग्लिश काफ़ी अच्छी इंप्रूव की इन्होंने, और ही अभी भी कोशिश करते हैं. और इंग्लिश जिसने इंग्लिश पे कमांड कर ली गाइस, तो लाइफ में उसके ग्रोथ, अच्छी ग्रोथ लाइफ में. सो नाउ आई वांट टू टॉक टू दिस पर्सन. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Vishesh.
कैन यू कन्वर्ट ऑल सेंटेंसेस इनटू इंग्लिश?
Yeah, I can convert.
इफ आई स्पीक हिंदी?
Yeah.
ओके. तो क्या आपका पास माइंड है?
Do you have mind?
मेरे पास है.
I have mind.
दिमाग लगाते क्यों नहीं हो?
Why don't you use mind?
मेरे पास माइंड ही नहीं है.
I don't have mind.
तो योगा करते हो तुम?
Do you do yoga?
मैं तो नहीं करता हूँ.
I don't do yoga.
आपको योगा करना चाहिए.
You should do yoga.
आपको बाबा कौन सा बाबा है वो? बाबा रामदेव. ठीक है, आपको बाबा रामदेव की तरह योगा करना चाहिए.
You should do yoga like Baba Ramdev.
वेरी गुड. तो क्या आप सुबह जल्दी जगते हो?
Do you get up in the
मैं तो
morning?
नहीं जगता हूँ.
I don't get up in the
किस
morning.
टाइम जगते हो फिर आप?
What time do you get up in the
मैं तो
morning?
नहीं, मैं तो जगता ही नहीं सुबह जल्दी.
What time do you get up?
मैं तो सुबह 9 बजे जगता हूँ.
I get up in the morning at 9 a.m.
आप तो बहुत आलसी हो.
You are too lazy.
आपको सुबह जल्दी जगना चाहिए.
You should get up in the morning.
मैं कोशिश करूँगा जल्दी जगने की.
I will try to get up in the morning.
क्या कभी आप स्टेडियम गए हो?
Have you ever gone to stadium?
मैं तो कभी नहीं गया हूँ.
I have never gone to stadium.
आपको स्टेडियम जाना चाहिए.
You should go to stadium.
अरे स्टेडियम कल के गए थे आप?
Did you go to stadium
नहीं
yesterday?
गया था.
I didn't go to stadium
कल मैं
yesterday.
जाऊँगा.
I will go to stadium yesterday. Tomorrow.
कहाँ पढ़ते हो आप?
From where do you study?
मैं तो सोनी बारे में पढ़ता हूँ.
I study in Soni
किस क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
In which class do you study?
मैं तो 6 क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ.
I study in class 6.
तो आप कितने टाइम से अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हो?
How long?
हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश? बोलिए.
How long have you been speaking English?
मैं तो 3 महीने से बोल रहा हूँ.
I have been speaking English around
इंग्लिश की वैल्यू क्या है?
What is the value of English?
इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी है.
English is very necessary.
अगर आप प्राइवेट सेक्टर ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं,
If you want to join private sector,
आपको इंग्लिश की ज़रूरत है.
you need to improve your English.
आपको अगर आप आर्मी की नौकरी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं,
If you want to join army job,
अगर आप आर्मी ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हो,
if you want to become an army officer,
आर्मी ऑफिसर एंड आर्मी ऑफिसर,
an army officer,
तो आपको इंग्लिश पे काम करना चाहिए.
you should work on English.
तो क्या आप गोवर्क अकेडमी ज्वाइन करोगे?
Will you join Government Academy?
हाँ, मैं कोशिश करूँगा.
I will try to join Government Academy.
कहाँ है गोवर्क अकेडमी?
From where?
वेयर इज गोवर्क
Where
अकेडमी?
is Government Academy?
तो फतेहगढ़ रेलवे स्टेशन के पास में है.
Near Fatehgarh railway station.
ठीक है. कौन पढ़ाता है गोवर्क अकेडमी में?
Who teaches in Government Academy?
वेरी गुड. हु टीचेस इन गोवर्क अकेडमी? रवि सर पढ़ाते हैं.
Ravi sir teaches in Government Academy.
ओके. तो कितने महीने का टाइम कोर्स है? व्हाट इज द ड्यूरेशन?
What is the duration of course?
3 महीने का कोर्स है.
This is for 3 months.
ओके. सो अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो
If you want to join Government Academy,
तो आप नया बैच ज्वाइन कर सकते हो.
you will join a new batch.
ओके. तो कब ज्वाइन करोगे आप?
When will you join Government Academy?
मैं तो करूँगा, कल ज्वाइन करूँगा.
I will join Government Academy tomorrow.
ओके. आपका जन्मदिन कब मनाते हो?
When do you celebrate your birthday?
आपका जन्म कब हुआ था?
When did you get birth?
मैं तो हुआ था 1947 में.
I got birth in 1947.
इन 1947. वेरी गुड. तो आपके पास नॉलेज है?
Do you have knowledge?
मेरे पास बहुत सारी नॉलेज है.
I have huge
हाँ,
knowledge.
ठीक है. तो आप रहते कहाँ हो?
From where do you reside?
Where do you reside? मैं तो भोलेपुर फतेहगढ़ में रहता हूँ.
I reside at Bolapur in Fatehgarh.
ठीक है. आप कितने टाइम से भोलेपुर फतेहगढ़ में रह रहे हो?
How long have you been in Bolapur in Fatehgarh?
मैं तो हूँ यहाँ बचपन से.
I have been in Bolapur in Fatehgarh around my childhood.
Since my childhood. Since कब लगाते हैं जो चीज़
लगातार
लगातार चली है, तब से आप यहीं पे हो ना. अगर आप कहोगे सपोज सिंस माई बर्थ भी बोल सकते हो. मैं अपने जब से मैं पैदा हूँ तब से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. आई हैव बीन हियर सिंस माई बर्थ. सो गाइस पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर विशेष. काफ़ी अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है और सब लोग काफ़ी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो विशेष, डू यू वांट टू टेल एनी स्टोरी? यू डोंट वांट टू टेल एनी स्टोरी? ओके, तो आई वांट टू टॉक टू अंश. प्लीज स्टैंड अप. अंश, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बी? एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर. डू यू वांट टू टेल एनी स्टोरी? You want to tell any topic? इससे तुम क्वेश्चंस पूछो. प्लीज आस्क क्वेश्चन टू हर.
So what is your name?
My name is Anf, and your name?
My name is Vishesh. Where do you reside?
I reside at Bolapur, Fatehgarh.
And what do you wanna be?
I wanna be Air Force officer, and you?
I wanna be a judge. Why do you wanna be an Air Force officer?
Because it's my father's dream.
And in which class do you study?
I study in class 5th.
Did you used to speak English before joining GoWork Academy?
I didn't used to speak English for joining Core Academy.
So have you started speaking English?
If I have started speaking English,
Can you jump off the running train?
I can't jump off the running train.
Do you try to jump off the running train?
I can't try to jump off the running train.
Have you ever been in mental asylum?
I have never been mental.
Mental asylum.
Mental asylum. And what about your father? What is he doing?
My father name is Mr. Sten Singh. He is a government teacher.
And what about your mother?
My mother name is Mrs. Madhvi Singh. She is a government teacher.
And do you have siblings?
I have no sibling.
And what about your siblings? What is he doing?
My brother is a
My brother is studying.
my brother is a studying class 2nd.
And hello ma'am.
Hello sir.
What is your name?
My name is Kavya Singh, and your name?
My name is Shesh. Where do you reside?
I reside at Bolapur in Fatehgarh.
And in which class do you study?
I am studying class 8th.
And do you have siblings?
I have siblings.
How many siblings do you have?
I have got one sibling.
And what about your sibling?
My sibling is elder than me. He is a student of class 9th.
And what about your father? What is he doing?
My father name is Mr. Jagvin Singh, and he is an army man.
And what about your mother?
My mother name is Mrs. Anshu Devi, and she is a homemaker.
From where do you study?
I am studying in Nekpur Kala in Farrukhawad.
And what do you wanna be?
I wanna be a businesswoman
Why do you wanna be a businesswoman?
because it's my passion.
Okay. And have you ever gone to stadium?
I have gone to stadium.
And how many times have you gone to stadium?
I have gone to stadium in many times in my life.
And did you used to speak English before joining GoWork Academy?
I didn't used to speak English before joining GoWork Academy.
Could you please tell me something about GoWork Academy?
Yes.
GoWork Academy is a English institute.
GoWork Academy is speaking institute, and GoWork Academy founder is Ravi sir, and he teaches in GoWork Academy.
And when do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday on 17 January.
Okay. And can you speak English?
Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Jiyushka Rajput, and your name?
My name is Anfin. Let me tell you something about yourself.
My name is Jiyushka Rajput. I am studying class 8. Let me tell you something about my family. There are 4 members in my family. There are parents and one sibling. My father name is Mr. Arvind Singh and he is a doctor. My mother name is Mrs. Poonam Rajput and she is a good homemaker. My brother name is Anshul Rajput and he is a student of class 6. Let me tell you something about my hobbies. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading book. Let me tell you something about my weaknesses and strength. My weaknesses are I can't say no someone for us and I trust people very quickly. My strength, I am punctual and hardworking and I am fast learner and I am positive attitude and
Helfer,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Anil Kumar Rajput.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Anil Kumar Rajput. My father name is Mr. Jiten Kumar. My mother name is Mr. Simran Rajput. I study in class 6. My school name is Soripara Inter College. My favorite subject is English. English is most important day of life. My brother name is. Yes, I get up in the morning.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up in the morning at 6 o'clock.
Have you started to speak English?
Yes, I have to study English.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I have to speak English.
Did you used to speak in Furan Go Academy?
I didn't used to speak English before joining Goga Academy.
Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Shantu. Today I want to tell about myself. Let me tell you something about my family. There are 4 members in my family, including me. I have my parents and 1 sibling. My siblings are younger than me. Let me tell you something about my hobbies. I'm playing cricket. I play cricket and flying kites.